Hey guys, Steve from NextGen AI here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to turn your YouTube videos into awesome SEO optimized blog posts, okay? Using the power of AI and of course ChatGPT. The first method I'm going to show you is completely for free, using free tools, and then later on in the video I'm also going to show you a more automated, easier way to do it, but the first method works just fine. So let's get right into it. So right now I'm on ChatGPT. So the first thing you're going to want to do is find the transcript of the video that you want to turn into a blog post, okay? Pretty easy. I use a Chrome plugin here called Glasp, okay? I haven't even logged into it, but it still lets me use it. It's a free plugin. So if you go and download and install the free plugin called Glasp, and just makes it very easy to download the transcript, okay? So I've gone and found a YouTube video here. So this is not my channel, it's not my video, but it's got a lot of subscribers, and it's best dog training treats for better results. So, you know, if I had a pet site, this would be great, okay? So what I'm going to do is, we can see Glasp here. So I'm going to click on the below arrow, and it's giving me the transcript of this video automatically. So I'm going to scroll down and copy and paste it. And you want to put that somewhere in your Google Doc, in your notes, wherever you want to do, okay? So for now, I'm just going to put that into, get rid of Glasp, don't know why that's there, and paste that into ChatGPT just to keep it there. Now we're going to use a couple of prompts to generate the blog post. The first thing we want to do is we want to say to ChatGPT, using the transcript from the YouTube video, we want to generate an outline for the blog post. Now, why we do that first, rather than just simply generating the blog post, we want to get the best output possible, and the AI will then kind of follow this outline, and the end output will be much better, okay? So here's the document here with the first prompt. I'm going to say to ChatGPT, use the following YouTube transcript to create the outline for an SEO optimized blog post. Try to include all the information from the transcript and structure the output appropriately for a blog post outline, okay? So we're not writing the blog post itself yet. We just want ChatGPT to give us an SEO outline for exactly how the blog post is going to look, or how it's going to follow the topics, etc. Okay, so we're going to copy and paste this into ChatGPT. So this is the transcript. So I can get rid of that, and with the prompt at the top. Okay, so we're just doing the outline right now. Now, a couple of times I've tried this, or times I've tried this in the past, and it's either giving me the outline and then also written the blog post, or not written the outline at all. So I just want to make sure, double sure, by saying, please start with the outline first. That way this ChatGPT does not get confused. So I'm going to go ahead and let's see what it comes up with. And we can see it is indeed doing the outline, okay? So we can see it's come up with the title, the introduction, and then also the structure of how the blog post is going to look. So we've got first the value of treats in dog training, types of treats and their value levels, subtopics, smart training strategies with treats. And we can see ChatGPT is actually writing it in front of our very eyes, okay? Going from the transcript from the YouTube video, which we downloaded with Glasp. And we can see here, it's still going. Oop, network error. Okay, so it kind of stopped halfway through. So I have had this happen before. I'm gonna click regenerate, and hopefully, I thought that was pretty good so far. So hopefully it follows the same outline. Might be my dodgy internet connection, but let's see. And I'm using ChatGPT 4.0 for this. So this is the free version. So this is free. The Chrome plugin is free. This is a completely free way to do this. And we can see, yep. I could have changed it to ChatGPT 01, but again, you'd have to have the subscription for that. So we can see it's writing it in front of our very eyes. I think we got to number 7 before, right? Before it timed out. Always when I do these live videos, it never goes exactly the plan, of course. And we can see here, yep. Okay, got the conclusion and got the CTA and related sources. So this is our blog post outline, okay? So we want to take this outline and have ChatGPT use it to then create our blog post. So we're going to follow it up with another prompt. By the way, I'm going to be giving away, so I had the first edition of my newsletter last week in which I gave away my previous prompts. I'm going to be giving away all this week's prompts, including today's prompts, in my newsletter this Friday. So if you haven't signed up to the Next Gen AI newsletter, go do so below. You won't regret it. So I'm going to follow up. I'm going to say to ChatGPT, now use the outline we created and the transcript to create an in-depth and comprehensive blog post that is SEO optimized. Write in natural human language and include tables and lists and include highly relevant information on the topic. So we'll paste that into ChatGPT and let's see what it comes up with. And we can see we've got the title there. Brilliant. Nice intro. And we can see it's following. We can see the first why treats matter in dog training is exactly how the outline is specified. Almost including tables. Brilliant so far. So already to me this is looking pretty great. Yep, how to use treats effectively. ChatGPT being a bit slow today, I have to be honest. And this is not even 01, which is usually a bit longer. But yeah, there's obviously something going on at OpenAI right now. The fact that it timed me out before and it's taken a little bit longer this time. But no problem at all. I can entertain you in the meantime. But as we can see, it's writing our blog post exactly how we wanted it in the outline. And again, you could go ahead and just ask it to write the blog post straight away, but you want the AI, I mean, the outline essentially trains the AI on what to do and kind of guides it. So you will have better results by doing an outline first. And there we have it. We've got the conclusion. There we go. So we'll scroll up. Has it covered everything? I think it has. So you can give us tables. I mean, okay, awesome. So with just 2 prompts and downloading the transcript for our YouTube video, we've got a SEO blog post outline and then the actual blog post itself already using completely free tools. Now we can go ahead and actually put quality control on this blog post and then do things like add internal and external links, etc. Okay, but as you can see, it's really easy, and this has been completely for free. So I've not done anything special here. I've just used a couple of prompts with the transcript using ChatGPT. Okay, that is how easy it is. And yeah, you'd want to put in some internal links, some external links. You'd also want to put in some images, maybe even link to some YouTube videos as well. Okay, and there are processes and there are ways you can do that, and you can also automate the entire thing too. Okay, it's going to take a bit more work, but hopefully you've got a good idea now of how easy it is to get something that's pretty decent out of the bat, just by using a couple of prompts with ChatGPT and your video transcript. Okay, so that is the first method I'm going to show you, the free method. Now the second method I'm going to show you is much easier. The output is better, and it also automates everything I just said, including the linking, the images, YouTube videos, etc. Okay, so I've spoken about this platform before because it's a platform I know and love, and it's called Journalist AI. So if you go to tryjournalist.com and you sign up, you get 3 free articles. No questions asked. You don't even have to enter in a credit card. You just put in your email, okay? If you do decide this platform is for you, there's currently a Black Friday offer running, which you can see in the banner here. Okay, but this is an amazing AI SEO platform that auto-publishes to your blog, all right? You can do loads and loads of things with this. But one of the things that's great about it, as well as producing SEO articles, as well as producing news articles, as well as producing Amazon articles, it's also got inbuilt YouTube to blog posts, okay? And it's really great because it automates everything. So if I click on YouTube to blog post here, so go sign up, tryjournalist.com, or get it through the link below, guys, in my description. If you do that, you'll get an even better discount or an additional discount and some additional bonuses from me. Just email me, guys, sign up to my newsletter, reply to it, email me, and I'll send those over. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the video URL. Okay, so obviously this is not my YouTube video, so I'm not going to be publishing it anywhere. I just want to get the link, and I'm going to give that here to Journalist AI. Now we've got some other options here as well, for example, languages, custom instructions, formatting, images, auto-translate. But I'm going to let Journalist AI, I'm going to let the AI take care of everything right now, okay? So we're going to go ahead and click Generate Article. Apologies, my floating head on the screen recorder was in the way. And we can see that Journalist is basically doing its thing. It's running its AI on the URL. So it's going to automatically take the transcript for us. So no need to download the GLASP plugin. No need to use ChatGPT. This completely takes care of everything, okay? Okay, awesome. So this is kind of like a preview window, beg your pardon, of what the blog post is going to look like. Okay, so we've got the featured image here, which Journalist has generated, and then we've got the title and the table of contents automatically generated for you. Okay, now this would ordinarily be the YouTube video. However, the owner of this video, this channel, has made their video unavailable to be displayed on other sites. Okay, it's this, their own personal settings. It's up to them. Obviously, if you're using it with your own videos or even other people's videos, lots of people allow this. Yeah, it completely depends upon it, but obviously that's not showing there, but that's usually where the YouTube video would go. And we can see we've got right into the introduction, key takeaways, and it's done all this, giving us lists, giving us different topics, etc. already, and a conclusion, and also generated the meta description for us. Okay, all that. We didn't have to download any plugins, didn't have to download the transcript. It's completely taking care of anything. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the Journalist AI SEO AI editor to basically edit this article and improve it. Okay, now you might be a bit scared about the SEO score being 0 here. Okay, it's not turned on. So I've spoken to the Jai team and they said it's not turned on for YouTube to blog post. Okay, so just simply ignore that, right? Otherwise that would be alarming. So I'm going to go ahead and we can see the H1s, the H2s, H3s, and exactly what it's going to look like. We can also change the featured image or anything like that here. So I'm going to click edit with AI. And just while this is doing this, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about, so Journalist AI is actually an auto blogger. So anything that you do here, you can completely automate. So you can have it to post at different intervals on different days, different times, directly to your WordPress blog, your Shopify site, your WooCommerce, wherever you want to, okay? It's designed to be as hands-off as possible. So if you're going to do bulk content or you've got a list of keywords that you want to target with articles, you simply put those in and it'll kind of auto-publish to your blog or to your website over a period of time. It's up to you, okay? And it'll even take care of things like linking, which is amazing. Oops, let's go back. Probably shouldn't have clicked on that. Okay, so obviously I don't want this here because, it's not showing us what we want. So I've got rid of that, but we can put in another image here. So if I want to put an image here at the top, I'm going to use the editor and put in an image, and let's use, so we've got different options here. For example, embed link, upload our own image, organic images, but I'm going to click generate, and we're going to use a prompt. So we're going to use the Journalist AI engine to generate an AI image. So I'm going to put in tasty dog treats, and I'm going to click generate AI image, and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, hopefully it'll have something very, very appealing, not to me, but to pets, to your dog, hopefully. And let's see what it comes up with. Yeah, there we go. They look very nice. I'm sure they almost look like sweets, right? So I'm going to click accept, and there we have our image there. Okay. And as we can see in our article, we can do many, many things. But what I like about it is, let's say we've got this paragraph here. So I can go ahead and highlight it, and then we've got a number of different options here. For example, we can rewrite it, make it longer, simplify, make a list, make a table, and we can also add more keywords in if we want, or other keywords, and we can also add links in here really, really easily. Okay, this is a massive time saver because you don't have to go and research proper citations for links. You can simply add them in here, bang, bang, easy as that. And if you set this up with the blog automation, all this will be completely taken care of on autopilot. Okay, you don't have to touch a thing. All right, so that's really, really awesome. And you can add more sections to this if you want to. You can make it longer. Like, you can just simply play about with it and do what you want to. Okay, it's a really, really awesome platform, an AI SEO platform, and it just makes blogging an absolute breeze. Okay, definitely one of the best platforms out there that I've used. Okay, so hopefully we had method 1 using GLASP plugin with ChatGPT, and we had method 2 using Journalist AI, so YouTube to blog post. Okay, that's what today's video is about. And if you enjoyed it, please click the like and subscribe buttons. Comment below if you have any questions regarding today's tutorial. And yeah, if you want to sign up to Journalist AI, you you get some exclusive discounts and bonuses using my link below. And please sign up to the newsletter, next edition this Friday. I'll see you there. Thanks.